welcome back to the channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this video or this channel, welcome. How about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad that you're back. So if you want to get the tea on this unit that I'm wearing right here, how about you stay tuned?
It's a bad man thing, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me.
So the wig that we're gonna be reviewing today is this unit here from Bobbi Boss, and it's part of their Boss Lace First Class collection, and I have it in the style MLF587 VELENA, and I have it in the color HL313/8070. And it's the color that the model has on her right here. So this is supposed to be made with HD transparent lace. It has a 5.5 deep parting space, and it comes with baby hair. I didn't use the baby hair. It is heat safe. It doesn't say to what degree, but this unit, she's very nice. I love the color, I love the texture, and it comes with your standard comb with two combs up here, one comb in the back, and your adjustable strap. And the cap construction is very stretchy and breathable, and I believe it is part of their Medi Fresh collection. Like, it's safe and clean. It's supposed to have great ventilation and protect you from pathogens and UVA rays and all that. So I got this from Wig Types for $37. So if you want this color and the other specialty color, you're gonna have to pay a $6 upcharge. That's a little steep, if you ask me. It's a tad bit steep, but you know what, with the color and the waves, I just love the curls and everything that's going on. I didn't mind paying for it for that price. But now the cap construction, it is snug. I know I have my wig cap on here with the wig grip attached to it, so that also contributes to it. But usually with other wigs, when I have that cap on, you can still tell that the cap construction, whether it's big hair friendly or it's on a small side. Okay, right now it feels like somebody is squeezing my brain. So that goes to tell you the cap size it's on the small size for sure. It is definitely on the small size. And then I love the parting space. It is nice. I use heat just to lay the top down a little bit, as you saw in the clip when I was cutting the lace. And it has baby hair. I just brushed the baby hair into it. You know, the hairline is not bad. It is slightly just a smidge bit pre-plucked. And let me tell you, this unit, she is long. Like, she is stopping me to my waist, and I'm 5'4". Okay, 5'4", so that she's long. And with that longness and it's being synthetic, it's tangling. It is definitely tangling. Like, as I was just like cutting the lace and all that, it was already tangling on me. So like, this is not an everyday unit. Definitely not. Like, she will tangle on you like crazy. So buy at your own expense. Am I recommending her for the color? Yes, I love the color. But will I rebuy her again? Probably not. Or you know what? You can just cut it. I think it'll look cute shorter. Should I cut it? Should I cut her? I'm tempted, but I'm not gonna cut her today. But she's long. Look at this color blend. Like, I'm here for it. I love the color. Besides it tangling and whatnot, I like the unit. I like it. That's the only con I have for her. But I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around.
I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me.
So yeah, this is Velena. Let's talk about her in the comment section. Tell me what you're thinking. Are you gonna buy her? You know, let's continue the chatting on Instagram and TikTok. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.